So, hi my friends, my name is Helen Fadden and I'm half American. I'm from Germany and I'm a yoga teacher. I turned this year to 59 and I want to show you that age is never a reason to stop to move your body, okay? No age is a reason to stop to move yourself. So get yourself together, get your mat, and let's start the yoga flowing like water. Like Bruce Lee said, be like water, my friend. So let's start. And come now in the child's pose. Open your knees, watch your knees. If you got problems with your knees, then cover it up with a towel or something to get your knees a little bit protected. And move your hands right in front of yourself. Stretch your arms and lay your head down to your mat. And breathe, that's the most important thing. Breathe in and out. Open your heart for yourself. That's the most important thing in life. Breathe. So come up on your fingertips and close your knees a little bit and get on your toes and move back and breathe. Come back up and come to cow pose and inhale. Exhale, round your stomach in and press against your knees. Exhale. Come back up and come back. Inhale in the cow pose and exhale. Get your stomach in. Let your head down and exhale. Now bring your hands on your mat and come on the upper facing dog or down facing dog, and breathe. Move your dog. Maybe you bend your left knee and turn it all the way around to the side. And take the other knee and turn it around to the other side. And breathe. And come back up. Bend your knees to the other side. Left knee to the right side. And right knee to the left side. Exhale. Come back up. And now come back on your fingertips and watch yourself. And when you're in pain, then let your hands right on the floor and breathe. Move your knee and watch yourself. What's going on in your head right now? What is that? It's crazy, I know, but it's very, very good for your strength and fingers. And now let the hands back down on your mat and move yourself around from side to side and breathe. Now open your feet as wide as your mat and walk your hands back to your feet. And now come down and sit down and watch yourself, watch your feet. Don't get your feet back up. Let your feet back on the ground. Put your hands right in front of your chest and move your knees from side to side. That's all what you gotta do right now. And if you feel like, then Lift your feet up from side to side and breathe. Bring your hands back down and come back up. And up facing dark, down facing dark. And watch yourself and breathe. Breathe in and out and lift your right leg up and open your hip, bend your knee. Maybe you can see your foot and straighten your leg back up and take your foot and step it right in front of you and come to triangle pose. And both hands are right in front of your right side, right foot. Now breathe and bend your head to your knee and breathe out. Maybe you straighten your breast and sink your nose to your knee, right side again. Like a wave, come back up. Be like water. Exhale. Inhale, open your chest. And exhale, come down. Again, inhale, open your chest. Exhale, come down. Now bend your right knee and put your right hand right in back on your foot and give yourself a little hip and come to standing split. Your left hand is right in front of you and give you the strange against and press it a little bit. Now bend your left knee and try if you can get your left foot and come to sugar can and open your chest, open everything what's possible and breathe. Now let your leg right there where it is and open your right arm over to the side on top and watch your head. Lift your left leg right and up. Now take your right hand to the mat and open your left arm right in front over your head and breathe. Inhale and exhale. Take your left hand to the mat and now bend your right leg and maybe you can bring your knee to the other knee. Right in front to the other knee. Keep it for a moment like that and then straighten your left leg again out. And bring it back to your right knee and straighten your left leg again. Now bend your right knee and set your left foot down. In runner's lunge. And now put your left hand to the floor and turn around. Take your right arm top. Maybe you can turn a little bit around and bend your arm. And straighten your arm right in front of you again. And turn around again. So your hip on this side, on the right side, can open wide and open. And turn around again, straighten your right arm. And try it again, open your hip. And again, breathe, breathe. Breathe, hold. And let your right hand to the floor. Bring your right leg back in a plank. And just let your right foot right straight back. Come in a deep down and upper facing dog. Just watch your back, watch everything, and be gentle with yourself. And come up in the down facing dog. And breathe again. Move your knees right, left knee to the right side. And the right knee to the left side. And again, left knee to the right side. And keep on smiling sometimes. And on the other side again. And come and breathe. Breathe out. Come on your fingertips again. And move your down facing dog again. Maybe you can move your knees and watch yourself, what's going on with your body right now. And bend your hands down on the floor and lift your left leg up. And maybe you bend your knee and you can look at your feet, open your hip. That's the most important thing, open your hip. And straight the leg again. And now set your feet, left foot right in front in the triangle pose. Hands is on the front, on your left foot. Maybe you can straighten your knees, that would be fine. If not, it's okay. Exhale to your left knee. Inhale, open your chest. Remember, be smooth like water. Be gentle and kind to yourself. And careful. Be careful with your words and be careful with your heart. And breathe. Bend your left knee. Maybe you can hold the back side of your left leg with your left hand. Right hand is right in front of you and come in the standing split. And breathe. And breathe. Now open your left arm to the top. Bend your right foot and maybe you can reach your right foot and come in the sugar can. Try it if it's possible for you. And breathe. And now take your arm right again upstairs and watch yourself turn around and let your foot slide and your butt is real tight. It will be fine. Take your left hand to the floor and your right arm open up. And breathe. The half moon, open yourself up. Turn your arm right in front of you if it's possible for you. Put your right arm, right hand right in front of you and then bend your right knee to the left knee. And straight it up again in standing split. Bend it again and cover your left knee a little bit. And standing split. And again. And standing split. Bend your left knee and set your right foot down. Now your right hand is on the floor or on your mat. Turn your left arm up and maybe you can bend yourself a little bit down so your hips get open and come back in the front. Turn your arm right in front on your left side and turn again. Turn it again over and turn again. Maybe come a little bit deeper. yourself. And come around again, try your best. And come back up. Now take your left hand right in front, the right hand, and move your left foot back. Come in the plank position with one leg. And we make a few push-ups. 5, come up. 4, come up. 3, come up. 2, and 1. And I hope you're still smiling. Set your foot down. You're in the plank position. Watch yourself. Now bring your knees on your mat. And come in the camel pose. Ooh, it's a little bit warm here. Now bring your arms, your hands right on the back and your hips. Maybe you turn the toes around. And maybe you watch your back now. Move and open the whole front side. And watch yourself. Maybe you can bend your head, and if not, then don't do it. And breathe. Come back up. And bring your feet down. Real flat on your mat. Bring your right hand now on the back side of your knee and turn your left arm right in front of top of you. Bend yourself back and switch the side. Left arm, side, back side of your knee, and move. Open yourself up. Try your best, everything you can, and open. Everything was possible. Just try. You don't get no prize. It's your own prize. Now come back again and come in front of the child's pose. That's very important. And breathe. Round your back. And let your forehead on the mat. Come back up and all forward position. Come, inhale in the cow. And exhale, and the cat. Come back in the cow, inhale. Exhale, in the cat. Now come in the plank position again and turn over to your left arm. And bring your right arm right in front, in the top of yourself, straight, and move your arm right over your head. And breathe. Breathe. Bring your arm back up. And maybe you can lift your right foot, right leg. And maybe you can turn around. And bring your right arm back. Ooh, that's a very nice position. Bring your left arm right up now. And move your right arm right and top over your head. And breathe. Bring your left hand back. And set it back to the up facing dog, down facing dog. Now come back in the table in this position and breathe. Come to your side plank, right arm is on the floor, left arm turns over. Bring it over to your left ear and breathe. Now move your arm back up and lift your left leg. And your knee bent, and turn it around, and your left arm reach on the floor, and you turn on your left arm again, and reach your right arm again. Try it. Now bring your right arm back. You almost got it. Come back up and down facing dog. And breathe. Now move your feet a little bit in the front. And stretch your back, let your head bang. And maybe you want to just move your knees a little bit. And roll a little bit up, above. And bring your arms right over your head. And bring your hands right in front of your heart. Now lean over to your left leg, left foot, and come with one leg, the right leg bend, and straight your foot out. Now bend it again, and bring your right foot over the left leg, and sit down. Calm down. Maybe you bring your arms, your hands on the floor, and if not, it's okay. Maybe when you come down, then try to bring yourself in this funny position. Bring your left foot up, bring your arms right to your right, and set it back down. And breathe. Open your legs, open your feet a little bit, and take care of yourself right now. Breathe in and out. Bend your knees and roll up again. Close your feet. Take your hands right in front of you. Inhale and exhale. Now your right leg is heavy on the floor, heavy on your mat. Now lift your left foot, left leg, straight it out, bend it again, bring it over to your right leg, and come, in this funny position. Bring your hands down to the floor if it's possible, and maybe you bring your right foot up, hold it, bring it back down, and set it back. Open your legs again. Bring your hands right back to your knees, to your feet, to your big toes, with your peace fingers, and squeeze yourself right a little bit through your legs if you can. Open your heart again. And squeeze it again. Open your heart again. Straight out. And breathe. Now bring your hands on the floor again and move your knees on the floor. And sit on it back on your hips. And breathe. Now bring your right hand to the floor. Maybe you open up your knees a little bit and bring the left arm over and open yourself up again and breathe. Now sit down again with your hips on your feet. Take the left arm on the floor and open yourself up on the right side. Open yourself up and breathe. Just relax. Now you're in the front of your mat. Over cross your legs and come on your heels. Close your feet a little bit. Take your hands back and open now your feet. And move your knees from side to side. Open yourself up. And breathe out. Let yourself go. And now come with your hands around your knees and roll yourself into a little position, child's position. And breathe. Inhale and exhale. Now open yourself up. You can leave your eyes closed if you want to, and lay your back down in Shavasana. Now watch your breath. Close your eyes. Relax your muscles. Relax your face, your eyes. Relax your tongue. Relax everything what you feel right now. Relax every muscle in yourself. Relax your shoulders, feet, your stomach, your whole legs, your knees, your hips. It's a wonder that you're here. It's a wonder that you're alive. You made it till here, to this day, and you make it to the other days also. Just breathe, inhale and exhale. Let everything go what's on your mind. Let yourself never disturb you from anybody out there. Just stay by yourself, in yourself. Watch your mind. Clean your mind every day like you wash your body and clean your body and put your aftershave on or your perfume. That's most important in this life. Watch your mind. Reset your mind. Don't get in contact with people who are so negative and toxic. That is not the way life should be for you. Watch it. Watch yourself. Take care. Breathe in and out. Watch your food. Just look at every food you put in your mouth. Don't eat everything what you can buy, all the plastic stuff. Drink enough water. Be like water, my friend. Like Bruce Lee said. Now breathe in and out. Take your arms over your head and move your fingers and your hands. Move your feet in every direction. Just be gentle and kind to yourself. Now, come and roll your back up. Bring yourself once together. Lift your head a little bit. And if you want to, then take a seat with me for a minute or so. If you can sit good and stay like that. Bring your hands right in front of your chest and inhale, exhale, close your eyes, and I hope you had a nice little yoga class with me. And if you enjoyed, then subscribe my channel and maybe you want to write me. I try to answer everybody and be strong in this world. there you live right now, and try to watch yourself and watch other people around you, your family, your friends, and try to get every day in connection with yourself. Namaste.